Want to level up your staff training? Game on! Collectively known as extended reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and virtual reality are all technologies that combine physical and the digital worlds. They'll be familiar to the gamers or sci-fi fans amongst you, but they also have many useful applications beyond entertainment. Staff training is a great example. Extended reality options are really useful if your business involves hazardous work such as welding, handles dangerous or delicate materials like chemicals, or uses complex equipment such as surveying tools. This technology allows staff to develop knowledge and skills in immersive virtual spaces and learn how to handle materials and machinery in a very real way, but without the very real risks. But your business doesn't have to be high risk to benefit. Extended reality tools can be used to enhance safety awareness and reduce accidents, improve training efficiency and employee performance, support remote collaborations and save costs in any business. Augmented reality, or AR, devices overlay digital elements into real-world ones. For an example, an employee could view and interact with equipment using AR headsets or AR-enabled iPad or smartphone. Instructions or visual cues like arrows would appear on the machine's components, showing them what to do, highlighting hazards and giving them ergonomic tips. Mixed reality, or MR, does the same as AR, but allows some interaction between the digital and real-world elements. An employee using an MR headset or device could walk through a workplace and see virtual markers indicating hazardous areas or problems waiting to happen. MR allows members of your team to practice their response to dangerous or complex environments to prepare for scenarios that might play out in real life. Virtual reality, or VR, creates a fully immersive digital world. Wearing VR headsets, employees could enter a digital twin of a manufacturing floor. They can interact with the virtual machinery, practice operating controls, and learn correct procedures for equipment setup, maintenance, and troubleshooting. This hands-on experience builds confidence and skills without the risk of accidents or equipment damage. Like any training or development program, one using extended reality is only as good as the planning and thought given to the tools. Do you want to improve safety, develop skills, or increase efficiency? Where would that technology fit best? Having a clear brief will also help you choose the right hardware and software pairing to match your project and your budget. Not all software can work with all hardware, so make sure you factor the device you want to use into your decision making. In addition to the hardware and software, the most important component is the quality and relevance of the learning content. You'll need specialist developers to create site or organisation-specific content that reflects the real world. For some industries or environments, you can buy off-the-shelf training content. Make sure you see what learning content is available for you before you invest in the hardware. There are many companies making tools to help put extended reality tech directly in your hands. For example, Eon XR allows businesses to create AR, VR training applications that can be used on a variety of devices including smartphones, tablets, and headsets. Microsoft HoloLens is a headset that can use a variety of AR and MR apps to support training, troubleshooting, and remote collaborations. Pano2 VR helps you build your virtual tours with interactive visuals and audio pop-ups which can be used for employee, orientation, or education. Apple has recently released their new Vision Pro, which is likely to accelerate their adoption of VR over the coming years. Once you have deployed any form of AR, VR, or MR in your workplace training, it is important to get feedback from your staff on how they find the system and whether the technology supports their learning style. This will help you get the best benefit and immersive experience the technology offers. And make sure you keep that tech up to date, or at least up to your needs, with regular reviews and software hardware upgrades. Exploring extended reality options can deliver many benefits to your staff and your organisation. It allows for self-paced learning for skills to be practiced multiple times without using up materials or resources, and it doesn't require trainers. Practicing in a virtual environment protects your employees and your equipment from harm and reduces risks for you as a business owner. It's cost-effective, can cater to different learning styles to boost knowledge retention and makes training fun. So gear up and get your training game going.